So we are identifying our furniture first so that we can know the relevant ones that we need for this particular uh, place. So I'll still go to the object tool, go straight to the settings dialog, and look for these special cabinets. After having the island, or rather the cabinet based triple door, I can still look out for other uh, cabinet wall corners that are relevant and that can also be ideal for this particular kitchen. So I'll start by the cabinet wall triple door. I'll make some necessary adjustments. So I'll have this as 600. Then I think the height is okay. So I'll click on OK. Then I'll just place it right here. So my task will be to move I'll move it a bit. Then I'll check it on 3D. As you can see, it's coming out pretty well. Yeah, so I'll go back again and check on corner cabinet. Of course, those are shelves, so I still have to identify corner wall. Then I'll click on OK. Sorry. This is ideal. Then I'll have it. So I can move it to my desired. Then I'll look at it on 3D. And I think that is okay. Maybe I'll make an adjustment on the cabinet corner. Yes, that height is so ideal. And we are realizing that now our kitchen is coming on well. So for yeah, so that I think that fridge needs to be rotated. So let me look at its plan view and see what I can do. Yeah, so the next thing that we'll add one more furniture tool. Maybe I can have a shelf base. Let me have a shelf base for that matter. We have this as 500. I'll adjust the size to 500. and the height to 1000. Then this width should be 800. Then I'll click OK. Then this shelf, I'll have it right here. So I'll check on it on 3D so that to know how I can make any adjustments. So as you can see, it is facing the other side, so I need to rotate it. So that is what I'll do. I'll select it and activate the rotation tool. Yes, specify a second corner. Then I'll have that rotated. It's still quite well, so I think I can still make some necessary adjustments. Let me first drag it, then I'll take it to this corner, then I'll view it. Yeah, so it needs to be rotated once again. So this is correct. So I'll now be able to ensure that it is occupying an ideal corner. That is that. So you can check on 3D now. And you can see that our kitchen is ideally taking shape. Yeah, so the next thing that I love to put is a wash and basin. I think I'll put a wash and basin somewhere there, of course, for general utility. And this one I'll just need to drag a copy of this, and then put it there. Then what I'll do also is to just reduce on the size. It's either I'll reduce on the size or move this cabinet towards that direction. Which one will be easiest? So I'll just select on that, then I'll move it. I think that now is okay. Yeah. So I believe that is now something good. So you can check out on our next tutorial video. We'll be shifting to the sitting room or the living room. and even to the bedroom. And for now, if you feel there's any other kitchen equipment that we have not put in place, you can also add your comments on the comment section, and you can also inbox us so that we can see what to do in the next tutorial video. For now, I'll just wish that you, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so as we seek to develop more of these videos and to learn more about ArchiCAD design. For now, have a good day. Thank you.